Dirt Camp, a STEAM enrichment program for grades 1 through 3, supports up to 30 learners. In your first box, you'll find an intro letter with a detailed unpacking list. You'll also find your digital resource license key with instructions on how to access the digital curriculum, activity videos, and daily slides. Your Dirt Camp program includes a comprehensive instructor guide and student journals. Additionally, you'll receive the materials your learners will need to complete the activities: printed student pages, dirt, spoons, containers, gravel, rulers, straws, pencils, measuring cups, spray bottles, water pitcher, and more. This kit was designed to let young learners get their hands dirty while keeping classroom management as easy as possible. The only item to purchase separately is a 20-pound bag of sand. While optional videos and slides are included, another benefit of Dirt Camp is that there are no tech requirements. Learners can dig into hands-on activities with or without an internet connection. The instructor guide makes it easy for educators of any experience level to prepare for each lesson. Each day includes a detailed material list, daily prep section, and cleanup instructions. At PCS Adventures, we're here to support educators like you throughout your STEM journey. For more information about this easy-to-implement program, visit adventures.com to download a curriculum sample or connect with a STEM program specialist.